I'm new here, so I haven't ran across this yet. But I get emails after I purchase a product, and they still offer me the product after I purchased it. So
I
is there anywhere in the system where once somebody purchases a product, they're removed from that campaign, and you can place them in another campaign for another product? How does that work?
Yeah, so we're talking about like a lead makes their purchase, and now you want them to stop getting the campaign for leads and start getting the campaign for customers that have already purchased, right? So the way you do that is, first of all, when you're looking at the customer, somehow their status will change from, prospect right here, right, to client, which you can do manually like I just did by switching it myself, or it could be happening, connected to your shopping cart or something, and it's automatically updating that field. Doesn't matter. If that field changes, then you're going to have an automation that triggers your new client campaign, right? So let me find, here we go. Our new client welcome campaign. And this just says if their ID status is changed to client, then trigger this whole campaign down here, right? And so just so everybody knows, when an automation triggers a campaign, whatever campaign was already scheduled for that contact is removed. So they're not going to end up getting both. So right now you would have one campaign that's like for your new leads, right? Let me see. Yeah, so if somebody fills out a form on your website, right, then this is the automation that triggers the right follow-up campaign for them, right? But then, they respond to one of these emails and they go to your website and they make a purchase, and that status gets changed to client. And then so the automation that we looked at first will trigger this new campaign to be turned on, and it will turn off that new lead campaign.